Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious strawberry pie. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, including ripe strawberries and a pre-baked pie crust. Then, I'll guide you through preparing the strawberries, creating a vibrant, sweet glaze, and finally, assembling your beautiful pie. This guide will help you create a perfect dessert that's sure to impress, using simple steps and fresh flavors. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the strawberries. You'll need about 6 cups of fresh, ripe berries. Wash and hull them thoroughly. Then, set aside approximately 4 cups of sliced strawberries for the main filling. The remaining 2 cups will be used for our glaze. Also, make sure your 9-inch pie crust is completely baked and cooled. This prevents a soggy bottom and ensures a perfect texture. Now, let's create the luscious strawberry glaze. Take about 2 cups of your reserved strawberries and mash them well. In a saucepan, combine these mashed berries with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Whisk in 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1/2 cup of water until the mixture is smooth. Cook this over medium heat, stirring continuously until it thickens and becomes clear. This will be the binder for our fresh berries. With your glaze cooled, it's time for the final assembly. Gently fold the 4 cups of fresh, sliced strawberries into the glaze. This ensures every berry is coated in that delicious sweetness. Carefully pour this vibrant mixture into your cooled, baked pie crust, spreading it evenly. Now, the most important step. Chill the pie for at least 3 to 4 hours. This allows it to set perfectly for easy slicing and serving. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.